Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, we are going river rafting. So just to give you guys a little bit of a heads up, supposed to go river rafting 2 Fridays ago. Due to the weather where it was really nasty, such as it was pouring down raining, so we couldn't go. So it's been rescheduled to this afternoon after work, and we're gonna just get out on the river and raft. So join me as I go and adventure out for my first time ever going river rafting. Today's video, I'm getting ready to go river rafting. So it is approximately like 2:10 and the kids are working. And I'm getting ready to go river rafting once they're done. So once I get them out of here, I'm going river rafting because all of us for Teacher Appreciation Week got treated on a river rafting trip. And so I want to go. All right, y'all. So I'm finally ready to go river rafting. I'm about 18. It's 3:18. I'm almost there. But I had to drop Sky off at home. I think that I'm like more nervous that like something's gonna go wrong. Like my glasses are gonna get foggy or I'm gonna see a snake or something like that. But I think I'm good. So I'm gonna head on over and show you guys around before I get into the kayak. Up on the river. Yeah, girl. That he had a good day yesterday.
Come on, Sierra.
This is cool.
No.
Troy. I just need something steady. Looks very steady.
I think you hit an unlucky
Yeah.
area. I don't think that's in my map.
They're acting like an 11-year-old, yeah.
It's like going to a buffet and you're like, oh, they're definitely under.
Oh, cool. What's the name? Okay, yeah. Yeah, right. Oh, cool. Next season. For sure, yeah.
Finish it. Okay, y'all, confession. I fell in the water. Oh my God, it was the worst experience ever. My big toe is hurting.
It's not a mirror. I'm like, I was.
Have a good weekend. Oh.
You gonna do it again?
One day.
You only took one tumble. I'm dry now.
I know, my toe is hurting.
I bet your toe. Maybe you could get, was that workman's pump or something?
I wish, right? Look, I'll text Elizabeth today. All right, y'all, so I'm back in the car. My hair looks totally different. I am eating on a strawberry milk popsicle that I got out of the little gift shop. And man, the fall, oh my God. Let's talk about that. So yeah, there was like one current, and the rocks were like just, I don't know, my body just went, oh my God, it just took over me. And then boom, I fell in and could barely grasp my kayak. Woo! And at first they wanted us to go tubing. Oh my God, thank God they did not. So now, yes, my toe hurts. I am soaking wet. So I'm heading home to shower, clean up, and get a couple things done for the evening. So thanks guys so much for joining me as I went kayaking for the first time. Free trip and all. Comment down below what you think about falling into a nasty river.